Crocs is the fun of being a little different. So, we asked people, what would you do a little differently?
What would I do differently? Well, I think it would have to do something to do with the commute to work. It could be made a little more fun. The subway is full of sometimes grumpy people. It can be a little drab. I mean, I don't know. I'd like to see what would happen if I sat on someone's lap. I don't know. That's an urge I've always had. I think that would be a really fun thing. I think it's a great idea. I think it'll work. Yeah, you should totally do it. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.